Imagine typing a few words and watching a complete video come to life with dialogue, sound effects, and even singing, all generated by AI in seconds. No video editor, no voice actor, no sound designer. This isn't science fiction anymore. Welcome to Kling AI Video 2.6, the first AI model that creates videos and audio simultaneously, and it's changing everything we know about video production. Released on December 4th, 2025, Kling AI Video 2.6 is a breakthrough from Chinese tech company Kuaishou. Unlike previous AI video generators that produced silent clips requiring separate audio work, Kling 2.6 does something revolutionary. It generates video, dialogue, sound effects, and ambient audio all in one pass. Think of it as the difference between a silent film and a talkie, except this transition happened overnight. Here's what makes this a game changer. The model uses what's called native audio generation, meaning the sound isn't added after the video is created. It's generated simultaneously with the visuals. When a character speaks, their lips move in perfect sync. When glass shatters on screen, you hear it at the exact moment. Rain, wind, footsteps, dialogue, even singing, all synchronize frame by frame. Quine 2.6 supports both English and Chinese dialogue, opening this technology to billions of users worldwide. Let's break down the capabilities. First, dialogue generation. You can create multi-character conversations with distinct voices. A rescue worker shouting through earthquake rubble, a travel vlogger battling wind on a cliff top. The model understands emotional tone. You can request hoarse voice, breathy, amused voice, or excited tone. Second, music and singing. Yes, the AI can generate characters performing music, from guitar solos to rap verses. Third, sound effects and ambient audio. Everything from explosions and car engines to subtle environmental sounds like crowd chatter or waves crashing. Of course, Kling isn't alone in this race. OpenAI's Sora 2 and Google's Veo 3 are locked in an AI video arms race. Sora 2, released in September 2025, can generate up to 20 seconds of video and excels at physics simulation. Think realistic water splashes or fabric dynamics. It's billed as a world simulator that understands how objects interact. Veo 3 from Google focuses on cinematic language, camera movements, lighting, and film grammar. It generates 4K video with synchronized audio. But here's the kicker. Kling 2.6's bilingual support and lower price point, around 30% cheaper than competitors, makes it incredibly accessible for creators in global markets. Kling AI Video 2.6, along with Sora 2 and Veo 3, represents a fundamental shift in how we create video content. We're no longer limited by budgets, crews, or technical expertise. The question isn't whether AI will transform video production, it already has. The question is, how will creators adapt and thrive in this new landscape? If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. Are you excited about AI video generation, or does it concern you? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.